Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 8th. In this video I am going to teach you the lesson number 3 of your English textbook, that is global warming, a catastrophe in making. Before I start the lesson, I'll tell you the meaning of the title of this lesson, that is global warming, a catastrophe in making. Global warming means the increase in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, and catastrophe can be an event which can cause disaster or devastation. So global warming can cause devastation, it can cause disaster. Global warming is a common term used today, especially in the print and the electronic media. So global warming has become a common term of discussion, especially in the print media, that is newspapers, magazines, etc., and in the electronic media such as TVs, radios, internet, etc. It refers to the rising average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere and oceans and its related effects. So what global warming is? It refers to the rising average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere and oceans. And what would be its effects? That is all global warming. In the last 100 years, the Earth's average surface temperature has increased by 0.8 degrees Celsius, with about 2/3 of the increase occurring over just the last 3 decades. Decades means 10 years. So in the last 100 years, it is said that the Earth's average surface temperature has increased by 0.8 degree Celsius, and out of which 2/3 of the increase has occurred over just the last 3 decades. That means the 2/3 increase has occurred in the last 30 years. And one of the major reasons cited is the increase in concentration of greenhouse gases produced by human activities such as deforestation and burning of fossil fuels. तो उसके पीछे जो सबसे बड़ा वजह माना जाता है वो है increase in the concentration of greenhouse gases. So how are greenhouse gases produced? They are produced by human activities such as deforestation, which means cutting down of trees, and the burning of fossil fuels or ईंधन के जलने से. An increase in global temperature will cause sea levels to rise and will change the amount and pattern of precipitation and a probable expansion of subtropical deserts. So if this increase in the global temperature will continue, it will cause sea levels to rise and will change the amount and pattern of precipitation. So we see the change in the pattern of precipitation as there are unoccasional rainfalls. It is all because of global warming, and a probable expansion of subtropical deserts. And more areas will become deserted, and the areas under subtropical deserts will get expanded. Warming is expected to be strongest in the Arctic. Arctic regions lie on 66.5 degrees in both the hemispheres, and it is said that the strongest effect of global warming would be in the Arctic regions, and it would be associated with continuing retreat of glaciers, permafrost and sea ice. Permafrost means frozen land. So this warming is expected to be strongest in the Arctic and will be associated with continuing retreat of glaciers. The glaciers in these regions will start melting, the permafrost and the sea ice will also start melting in these areas. Other likely effects of warming including more frequent occurrence of extreme weather events including heat waves, droughts, and heavy rainfall. And the other effects of this warming can be frequent occurrence of extreme weather events. The extreme weather events such as heat waves, droughts, and heavy rainfall, it will occur time and again, and species extinction due to shifting temperatures and change in agricultural yields. And there would be other effects, that is species extinction. Extinct means to die out, to vanish out from the earth. So the species of birds and animals, they will get extincted from the earth because of the shifting temperatures, because of the change in temperatures, and due to this change there will be also effect on agricultural yields. In the Indian subcontinent, the Himalayan region has a glacial coverage of 33,000 square kilometers and is aptly called the water tower of Asia, as it provides around 8.6 million cubic meters of water annually. And if we talk of Indian subcontinent, the Himalayan region has a glacial coverage of 33,000 square kilometers. That means 33 square kilometers of Himalayan areas is covered by glaciers, and because of it, it is nicknamed as Water Tower of Asia, because it provides around 8.6 million cubic meters of water annually, as each year it provides 8.6 million cubic meters of water. Glaciers from this region mother several streams and rivers in the subcontinent, and glaciers from this Himalayan region, they act as a source. To mother means to act as source. They act as source of water for many streams and rivers in the subcontinent, which support economy and the livelihood of millions of people in several countries like China, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, and Bangladesh. That means the economies of these countries and the livelihood of the millions of people of these countries depend upon these rivers, the water of which comes out from the Himalayan regions, from the Himalayan glaciers. But one unnatural phenomenon is said to change the very lives of these people as well as the rest of the world. But any unnatural occurrence because of human activities, they can change the very lives of these people. There would be effect on the lives of these people living in these countries as well as in the rest of the world, endangering their very existence, and their existence could be in danger. Humanity is about to face the most devastating catastrophe that has not been encountered since the Black Death. Black Death, it was a pandemic which had hit Europe and Asia during 14th century and had killed half of the population of these continents. It was a bubonic pandemic. Humanity is about to face the most devastating catastrophe. So it is said that humanity is near to face another devastating catastrophe, another devastating epidemic, another devastating disaster that has not been encountered since the Black Death. यानी आलमी इंसानियत एक और मुसीबत का सामना करने के नज़दीक है जिसका मुकाबला, जिसकी भरपाई नहीं की जा सकी Black Death से. While people are still debating whether global warming is in progress, the general consensus among most scientists and researchers is that global warming has started and is going to increase at an uncontrollable rate in the very near future. So people are still debating whether the global warming has started or not, but there is a general consensus. There is a general agreement among the scientists and the researchers that it has already started. The global warming has already started and it is going to increase in the near future with an unstoppable rate. Then it would be difficult to control it. It would be rather impossible to control it. 2 decades back, global warming was considered a Western concept, but now its impact is visible across the globe. So some 20 years back, it was considered as a Western concept. It was considered to be the concept of Western countries, but now its effects are visible across the globe. यानी पूरे दुनिया में आजकल इसके असरात देखे जा रहे हैं। टुडे प्लेसेस एज कोल्ड एज कश्मीर और ऑल्सो एक्सपीरियंसिंग द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग। और आजकल ऐसी जगहें जिनका मौसम कश्मीर की तरह सर्द है, उनमें भी ग्लोबल वार्मिंग का असर देखा जा रहा है। नाउ द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ this lesson I will teach you in the next video. Thank you.